Looking to upgrade your bedroom storage with a sleek modern wardrobe? In today's video, we are diving into the latest trends, smart features, and space saving ideas to inspire your next wardrobe makeover. Hey everyone, welcome back to the MH Interiors. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification so you never miss a design tip. Today we are talking all about modern wardrobes, from layout planning to material finishing and must-have features. So let's get started. So let's start with design style. Modern wardrobes are all about clean lines, minimal hardware, and integrated functionality. Popular options include sliding door wardrobes for compact spaces, walk-in wardrobes if you have extra rooms, glass wardrobes for a luxe, boutique style look, or modular designs that you can customize as your need grows. Now let's talk about materials. For a modern look, go for matte laminates or the acrylic finishes, PU paint in neutral tones like white, greys, beige, or even pastel shades, glass shutters with aluminium frames for a premium vibe, and don't forget soft close hinges and quality sliding system. Want to level up your wardrobe? Add integrated LED strip lighting, pull-out tie racks, belt trays, and hidden mirrors. These accessories not only add style but also add elegance, trendy, and modernity. Few things we'll have to keep in our mind when we design our modern wardrobes. First, we'll have to understand the functionality, the requirement, and second, we'll have to focus on aesthetically designed and look and feel. Yes. So let's talk about first two requirements. See, everybody has a different requirement. Might be you have a different requirement and mine has a different one. So we'll have to understand first the requirements. So you will have to plan space for the longer dresses. You will have to give the space for the shorter spaces. You have to lit every section of wardrobe. You will have to give the space for small accessories, and don't forget to lid the drawers. Your shutters should be linear, easy to access, and should be designed very well. Okay, so if you are using glass, so no issue at all, but if you are using a wood, so you will have to choose the finish like veneer or the fabric or the any other thing which makes your wardrobe finish amazing, right? Second and most important point is don't use the ordinary handles. Yes, because ordinary handles create a lot of mess, create a lot of troubles. So we are now going to focus on handles part only. We'll have to use designed and the cutouts handle which makes your wardrobe look amazing, trendy, designer, and make your opening process very easy. Yes, so there are a lot of designer options available in the market. You will have to use that. Replace your ordinary handle to the designed one. Yes, you can make some special cutouts in your wardrobe only. So this process will less your handle cost. And last but not the least tip is always choose your wardrobe finish like which is sustainable, which is trendy, and which is cleaning process is super easy. Yes, all these three key features make your wardrobe sustainable and trendy too. Yes, so I hope you really like the concept. If you like any concept, any designs, please save that for future and use in your wardrobe design. I hope you really liked my video. You really like the concept. If you liked it, please don't forget to give me the thumbs up.